Hey, walkie-talkie, you let them know you don't hear nobody but 121, 121 in the bound.
Hey, Roger, 101, man. Tennessee, hey, 101.
Walkie-T, you must want Mad Dog to come up there around New York and New Jersey and have a little talk with you, break. Anyways, 122 in the state of Maine. It's Mad Dog right there. It's me. 1500Z. I'll see you. Got the band-aid bass, I don't know what else.
Oh, it's you and all you, Mad Dog. Mad Dog Radio. Bye.
122, you cut his shot picking lips off, man. You cutting that walkie-T lips off, he gonna make me come up there. I think he wants me to come up there and have a little talk with him around Brooklyn. That's right. Maybe over at the Bronx. Well, I got this snake.
727 coming off. We're going to wave 4-1, 357 Tennessee.
Why, you go up there and you talk that old walkie-talkie, Mad Dog. We got the old video game rolling. We can sit on the side and just copy the mail and roll the gate for a few more. Hey, Mad Dog, those old quads are working very well for you. Absolutely are. Hey, you done a good job. 122 out of it. Bye-bye.
Thunder, black lightning out there around Texas making that noise. 357 Tennessee trying to get it back, break.
I know. There you right there, right now. Hey, 122, I tell you what, man. I'm going to keep the cotton picking hammer in your radio the whole game. I'm going to keep the hammer in your radio the whole cotton picking game. Hey, 122, I'm going to do it just cause I can. 122, Mad Dog said, what you think about it?
I'm thinking it's all you. Mad Dog, right at the moment. I got, like I said, those old quads are radiating for you like you want it to be done. You know, there's a little bit of noise out there, and then a big old hammer rolls in. Mad Dog, you got Maine covered with a blanket. Bring it on back.
Now, he didn't mean to cut you off, man. He just did it because he could. Hey, Mr. 122, I'm going to keep a hammer in your water gate as long as you got it going. 122, Mad Dog's up.
Oh, you got yourself a good one, Mad Dog. We're going to let it roll, let you talk. Think you said it was walkie-talkie. I don't want to get in the way. Just so Mother Nature thing. Hey, Mad Dog, been a pleasure. 122, going to copy your mail.
You listen to the cotton picking audio coming about this 29 Cobra too, man. This old snake. This old snake right here, man. This cotton picker right here got some audio, man. $10 at the flea market. 122. I'll buy all he got, Roger.
Sounding real good, Mad Dog. Absolutely is. For a $10 radio, you definitely got your money's worth, sir.
Audio. Hey, Mr. 122. Mad Dog said one piece of glass from the past will whoop thee. And I'm out.
Tell me you bought a